how to change Samsung emoji to iPhone emoji using zFont 3. If you've been using a Samsung phone and you're tired of the default Samsung emojis, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to easily change your Samsung emojis to the iPhone emojis using a super simple app called zFont 3. It's available for free on the Google Play Store. It's a fun and emoji changer and it's super easy to use, so let me show you how to get started. Simply download zFont 3. This should take only a minute or two. Once it's installed, go ahead and open the app. Once you open the app, it will ask you for some permissions. Don't worry, these are just to access your font and emoji settings. Make sure to grant the necessary permissions to proceed. Now, let's get to the font part, changing your emojis. On the main screen of zFont 3, you'll see a list of different fonts and emoji styles. Tap on the emoji tab and you'll see various emoji packs, including the iPhone emoji style. Scroll through the options until you find the emoji pack. This will be the exact emoji style you want to use. Simply tap on download. The app will now download the emoji pack. Once it's done, tap on the set or apply button. This will apply the iPhone emojis to your Samsung phone. It's that simple. And that's it. You've successfully changed your Samsung emojis to the iPhone emojis using zFont 3.